Today is the second lecture for review writing, and we are specifically discussing a review of a restaurant. And I assume that you people have watched the first lecture, and what we learned in the first lecture was like this: that there is there are two phases of writing a review. First, you collect information, and that is a sort of pre-writing stage. So in that stage, I gave you two particular activities like collect good qualities and bad qualities of a restaurant. And then the second exercise or activity was almost 8 to 9 headings and collect information regarding those headings. And they were food and atmosphere and service and location and clientele and price, etc. So then I gave you people an activity as well, so an assignment. So I hope all of you have done that task as well. So assuming this that you have done all which was which you were asked to do in the last lecture, and assuming that you have watched the first lecture as well, uh, I'm starting now, uh, like how to write review practically. So that was pre-writing stage, and now there is writing stage. So first of all, begin with a statement that mentions the restaurant's name and location. So you remember when we were doing essay writing, so there was a particular format of essay writing. So if you are writing a five paragraph essay, so first paragraph is introductory paragraph, last paragraph is concluding paragraph, and then in between these first and last paragraphs comes the body paragraph. So now uh, we have a totally different format for review writing. So this format is not fixed, it depends upon the writer, but for a beginner it is a good start. If you don't have any experience of writing review, so most probably this model of writing review will help you a lot. So first of all, you need to give a statement which mentions the name of the restaurant and the location as well. For example, you are talking about a restaurant like Sajjad restaurant. So you will start that Sajjad restaurant is like my favorite restaurant, and it is located somewhere at Hassan Square. It is also possible to begin with a hook and then provide specifics about the restaurant. What is a hook? We did this in essay writing as well. A hook is the first sentence or two of a review. The purpose of a hook is to grab the reader's attention. We write a hook sentence in order to grab the attention of the reader, number one. Number two, in hook statement, uh, not necessarily we directly come to the point, but what happens that we create a sort of suspense. We try to appeal to the reader, and so that the reader stops for a while and starts reading. So you can start with a hook statement as well, like uh, there are a lot of restaurants, but one restaurant is the best, and that restaurant, I hope if you people go, it will be able to entertain you according to your desires, something like that. So now reader will stop for a while and he has to read, that what restaurant is there that you are claiming that it is able to entertain all your desires. So then after the hook, you can go to the next paragraph. Sorry, after hook and then uh, brief introduction like location and name of the restaurant, you can go for the next paragraph, and in next paragraph you write about food. Describe the food on the menu in detail. You can mention a particular dish that you have had there if you think it is appropriate. So you first of all mention the dishes which they serve, and then if there is a dish which is special, or if there is a dish which you yourself have experienced and that was very delicious, so you need to mention that dish as well. For example, white kadahi or chicken handi, that is the special dish, and once you start eating, so you will not stop, and at the end you will, you know, you will find yourself licking your fingers. इतनी मतलब वो मजेदार है कि आप अपनी उंगलियां चाटने पे मजबूर हो जाएंगे, तो समथिंग लाइक दैट. एटमॉस्फेयर, एटमॉस्फेयर भी आपने वहां बयान करना है. आई सपोज के लास्ट टाइम आपने ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर ली है, अब आपने सिर्फ इसको ज्वाइन करना है सही तरीके से. सो डिस्कस द एक्सटीरियर एंड इंटीरियर डेकोर. व्हाट इज इंटीरियर, व्हाट इज एक्सटीरियर. Also mention the ambience and special features of the restaurant. Ambience means कि वहाँ पे like what is the, what do you feel when you enter? You know, some places when you go, so you feel sad because there is darkness, and sometimes you feel scared, horrified because strange kind of paintings and darkness. So that is called, means like the feel which you have. And special features of the restaurant, like that restaurant is specially decorated with fresh flowers, so this is atmosphere. Service. Some review some reviews may give details about the service from the first moment a customer enters the restaurant until the customer has finished the meal and leaves. It is okay to mention the name of a server or chef that is exceptionally friendly, helpful, or talented. So you can mention mention the service quality, like they have a very wonderful service quality. As soon you enter into the restaurant, you will find uh, an armed guard who greets you with smiling face. And once you sit, so within couple of seconds, you will find waiting staff running towards you. They will come, and in a very polite way and in a very welcoming tone, they will ask you for order. तो इस तरह से आप सर्विस बयान करेंगे. Clientele, meaning uh, what type of people they come and they go there. So, and then, you know, in some restaurants you have dress code as well. For example, if you go to Karachi Club in Karachi, so if you have sandals, so meaning open sandals, so they won't allow you. You won't be able to enter. You need to have shoes, you know, closed shoes, closed sandals, you know, stripped sandals which can be closed from behind, from the heel. I heard so. So sometimes there is dress code as well. So you need to mention that dress code as well. Price. It is important to mention the general price range. However, specifics are not necessary. G. You are not asked to like start giving the price of everything. The chicken kadahi is 1000 rupees, and like cold drink is 70 rupees per can. No, no, no. You are not supposed to give prices in this way. You just need to say that it is relatively cheaper than other restaurants of this category. Meaning, what does it mean? It means that if you go to other restaurants of this same category and two people they sit for eating, so most probably their bill is going to be between 3000 to 4000. But if you come to this particular restaurant, so your bill is going to be somewhere between 1000 to 1500. Then there is location. Is the restaurant hard to find? So then you go for location. So restaurant is like on the road. Uh, it is easy to find like that. And other details. Do customers need reservations? Some restaurants they need reservations. Before you go there, you need to reserve your seats. What are the hours? Is it crowded on weekends? And the bottom line, at the end, overall conclusion. Make a couple of final comments and give the restaurant some type of score that will help other people decide whether they want to go there or not. 4 stars, I will give 4 stars, or I will give A to the restaurant, or B to the restaurant. So at the end, you need to provide this kind of rating as well. And then at the end, you give the address and telephone number at the bottom of the review. So if you cover all these details and in this sequence and order which I have just given you, and you mention all these necessary all the this information, so hopefully your review is going to be a very good review. Uh, so I have like an example as well for you people. Just quickly, we will go through it. Uh, like Sajjad restaurant is a little neighborhood joint near Chinatown in Karachi. So name of the restaurant and the area, all of them, they are fake. Okay. So just for sake of understanding, this unique place is mainly known for its exotic Pakistani seafood. Since it has reasonable prices and is only several blocks from the financial center, it is popular with the business lunch crowd. It is well known in the city for its authenticity. Sajjad offers several set menu choices every day in addition to its regular menu featuring fish or vegetarian cuisine. So this is a sample, so you people can read and you people can match with with what we have learned just now. So hopefully this lecture has been very useful for you people, and I hope that you people will be able to write your own reviews, inshallah.